This is a Blue Lagoon resin pour tutorial in our Colossal Crystal Edge mold. For this pour, I'm using Prussian blue acrylic ink, 2.4 ounces of resin with 10 drops, carbon black acrylic ink, 1.7 ounces with 4 drops. My white is Castin Craft white pigment paste, and in 1.98 ounces of resin, I did 30 to 35 drops. Yes, kind of crazy. And it left about 7.92 ounces left for the push, which I used 1 drop of Cerulean blue by Liquitex as well. This is our Colossal Crystal Edge mold. I mixed up Art Pro Resin, 14 ounces for this. And this is supposed to be the Chrysanthemum flower pour. But you're supposed to do that in a high viscosity resin, which I didn't do it in. I did it in Art Pro. I don't know why, because I just always pick up Art Pro resin. But here I put the blue down on the bottom, and what I've learned since doing this one, I did this in May of 2024. That's how long ago it was. I have to fill up the crystal edges first because you see the blue kind of seeping into certain areas there, but not the others. So in subsequent pours, I've filled the crystal edges first and then done the pour, which I'm going to try this one again, perhaps with some high viscosity resin. And it's pretty easy. You put the blue, the black, and then you dump the white. You could swirl it around the edges. You don't have to. Oh, there goes my stick right in the center of it. But it's pretty easy. It's 3 colors. Doesn't come out looking like a chrysanthemum flower. I've had very few actually look like a chrysanthemum flower. Oops, sorry, 4. There's the push. I also think this is too much of a push. It fills up so much of the mold, and as you'll see in the finished piece, it left a lot of gray. This pour, like I said, I had to double this recipe. The amounts I gave is double of what the chrysanthemum flower pour should be. So I was trying to do it for this mold because it holds like 14 ounces of resin. So there you just kind of put some glitter and glass in the center, and there's a time lapse just showing it curing. This is pretty simple. There's really not that much to say about it. Pretty easy. I think I will try this maybe in a different color today. I've run out of videos to post, so that's why I pulled this one from May of last year. I've been doing a lot of experiments with acrylic inks, or acrylic paint actually. So that looks very promising on the back. I love how that looks. And it's always satisfying to pull it out of this mold because there's a big crackling sound of those crystals coming out. You have to be careful not to cut yourself on those crystal edges though. And here's the finished piece. We called this Blue Lagoon. They look kind of like amoebas, but you see how much of the extra clear there is in the center? I would have preferred deeper colors like the black or the blue. It still turned out pretty, and somebody liked it enough to purchase it, and those sparkling crystal edges do make it a statement piece. Let us know what you think about this pour in the comments below.